coming to you right before midnight GMT time on July 9th, 2017. Soon we will have a new day, a new Monday week, which is Moon Day Monday, and it will be the 10th of July, 2017. Just wanted to share with you my observations of this full moon weekend. And when I speak of this weekend's positions of the moon and the sun, I am speaking of the astronomical positions. I'm actually speaking of what you, with your own eyes, might be able to recognize if you can recognize your constellations. If you can recognize the constellation of Sagittarius, you would have been able to see the full moon in that constellation, which is not the same as Western astrology. And I had mentioned in a previous wave or podcast that it was Scorpio, but actually it's Capricorn that Western astrologers are acknowledging. That's based on a different system. This system that I speak about on a more or less daily basis is what I have called Skystrology, because it's what you yourself can see in the sky, and it's a combination of astronomy and 13 sign astrology. Now I say 13 sign specifically because it is thanks to a physicist, Vasilis Kanatas, who was so kind to put together this amazing calculation where you can go to astrology13.com, put in the place of birth or any time that you wish, and he's used the NASA calculations to make a formula so that you can know what the sky looked like at any moment. And also, of course, the moment you were born, because that's the beginning of your time here on Earth and what the sky looked like at that time. And so what I'm sharing with you and what I'm really passionate about after being passionate about Western astrology for 30 years and this kind of sky astrology for the last 2.5 to 3 years, is that it's all about being an observer and becoming conscious. And for me, it's really my enthusiasm to share with you the possibility that quantum physics, which is about understanding that the observer is part of the resolution or part of the outcome, and therefore if you put yourself in the position of the observer, that you can be part of the outcome and be part of this universe and the energies within it. And if you have now tools or information that give you the actual astronomical information, then it's up to you to know and to tap into what that means to you and for you. So what I want to tell you today is that this weekend I felt very strong energy, and I've just found out that there was a solar kind of flare, a spot as big as Jupiter on the surface of the sun, which is huge. And also that the sun is conjunct Wasat, which is another huge body. It's almost 2.5 times bigger than our sun. So we had that, and then we had the full moon in Sagittarius, and then we had the sun in Gemini. This Wasat is in the Gemini constellation. If you like to know more, please visit me at Skystrology.com. It's Chapeau Claudette, also known as Claudette.